welcome. Till now we have studied about what is adjacent pairs of angles. So adjacent pairs of angles means angles which are having a pair of angles which are having common arm, common vertex, and their interiors are separated. They are known as what? Adjacent angles. Here this is also adjacent angles. Okay. If you see angle PQS and angle SQR, they are adjacent angles having the common arm and common vertex and whose interiors are separated. So this is a pair of adjacent angles. Now today we are going to study about complementary angles. Now if you see this angle PQR, if you see the symbol, it is a 90 degree. So a pair of angles whose sum is 90 degree, we will say that it is a complementary angles. Once again, if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are said to be complementary angles. If you see here, angle PQS plus angle SQR, if you are adding, you will get the 90 degree, that is right angle, and such type of pair of angles is known as complementary angles. So here definition, it is written, if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. For example, if you see here angle ABC, it is given 40 degree, and angle PQR, it is given 50 degree. So measure of angle ABC, it is given how much degree? 40 degree. And measure of angle PQR, it is given 50 degree. So if you add 40 plus 50 degree, you will get 90 degrees. That is measure of angle ABC 40 degree plus measure of angle PQR 50 degree, that will be 90 degree. So you can say that angle ABC and angle PQR are the pairs of complementary angles. Let us see one example how we will solve it. Find the measure of the complement of an angle which measures 70 degree. So how we will solve it? First, we don't know what is the complement of 70 degree. So we will take the, always in mathematics we are taking unknown as a value of x. So we will write, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Now what is given? One angle, the measure is given 70 degree. So we know that 70 degree plus x, pair of complementary angle, the sum of pair of complementary angle is equal to 90 degree. So we will find the value of x. So x we can write 90 degree minus, if this is what, 70 degree. So 70 will go to the right hand side, so plus will become minus. When we are solving, no need of writing the degrees. Okay, so no need of. So x is equal to 90 minus 70, it is 20. So we got 20 degree. Now I am writing, not writing, then also no problem. So therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 70 degree is 20 degree. So whenever we don't know the value of unknown, we will take the value as a x. So we know sum of the pairs of complementary angle is 90 degree. So 70 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree. So x we got 90 minus 70. You know, when equal to sign is there, plus will shift to the right hand side, it will become subtraction, minus will become plus, multiplication, we will divide, and divide we are doing the multiplication. Are you remembering? 6th standard we have studied that, solving an equation. Now let us solve the equation. Let us solve the practice set 16. Now here it is given the measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. So in the same way we will solve. So first step we will write, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore, one angle, how much degree it is given? 40 degrees. So 40 plus x is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 minus 40. So x is equal to 50 degree. Therefore, the measure of the complementary complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degree. You can check 40 plus 50, 90 degree. Next one, it is given. Second one, it is given 63 degree. Okay. So once again the same method, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore, 63 plus x is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 minus 63. So, x is equal to, subtract it. So, how much value will get? 27 degree. Therefore, the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 63 degree is how much we got? 27 degree. Okay, this is the answer. Now, if you are taking third one, how much degree it is given? 45 degree. Okay, so once again, let the measure of the complementary of an angle of measure, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore, 45 plus x is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 minus 45. So, x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 45 degree is 45 degree. Next, it is given fourth one 55 degree. Okay, So first step we will write, let the measure of the complement of an angle, complementary angle be x. So therefore 55 plus x is equal to 90. Therefore x is equal to 90 minus 55. So s is equal to 90 minus 55, 35 degree. Okay. So therefore the measure of the complement of an angle, how much degree it is given of an angle of measure? 55 degree is 35 degree. If you are adding see 5 plus 5 10, 90 degree. The sum should be 90 degree. Okay, like this you can check also. Fifth one it is given 20 degree. So let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore 20 plus x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 90 minus 20. So x is equal to 70 degree. So therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 20 degree is 70 degree. Okay, put in the boxes answers. So next it is given sixth one, the value is given 90 degree. So let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore 90 plus x is equal to 90. Therefore x is equal to 90 minus 90. So x is equal to 0 degree. Therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 90 degree is 0 degree. Now next, seventh one, it is given x degree. So once again let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore x plus x is equal to 90. So we are finding the value of another x. What is the next x? Okay, so x is equal to, we will write 90 minus x. Okay, that much degree. So therefore the measure of the complement Measure of the complement of an angle. Okay. Vowel you have learned A, E, I, O, U. Before that, N word will be used. Of an angle of measure x degree is x minus 90 degree. Okay. Now question number 2. Okay, it is given y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. Means these are the two angles measures. Find the measures of each angle. Means each angle how much it will measure. So we will solve that. We know the pair of that is pair of the angles whose sum is 90 degree, they are called as the complementary angle. So here pairs of angles, the measures are given y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree, that is should be equal to 90 degree. So therefore we will write y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. The sum of the pairs of angles is 90 degree, then they are said to be a complementary angles. So here we will open the bracket, y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90. Okay. So if you see here y minus and plus y. So here y and y, that is 2y plus. Now if you see here number minus 20 and plus 30. Are you remembering integers how we have to do? So minus plus minus. So 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. And which is the bigger number without sign? 30. 30 is having with sign plus. So we will write here 2y plus 10 is equal to 90. So now it is very easy. 2y is equal to 90 minus 10. When equal to sign is given, so plus sign is shifted to the right hand side, then plus will become minus. You have studied in standard 6. Are you remembering? Okay. Now here 2y is equal to 90 minus 10, it is 80. Now this is what? Multiplication. We want to find out the value of y. So multiplication, it will be divided by 2. Now you know 2 ones are 2 40s are. Yes. So therefore the value of y is 40 degree. Now we have to find out the value of y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree. So first we know now y value we got 40 degree. Therefore y minus 20 degree is equal to y value is what? 40 minus 20, that is equal to 20 degree. Okay, this we got first one value, and next one it is given y plus 30 degree. So we will write y value we got what? 40. So 40 plus 30, that is 70 degree. And you can check 20 plus 70, it is 90 degree. So they are the pair of complementary angles. So once again, what is pair of complementary angles? So pair of complementary angles is what? When the sum of the pairs of angles is 90 degree, they are said to be a pair of complementary angles. So here I finished a practice set, that is 16. Next we will continue in next class. Thank you.